Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. Do you have a hard time sleeping because you live in a noisy neighborhood? Or when you're on an airplane, do you need quiet? Or do you hate to get water in your ears when you're swimming in the ocean or a pool? Then you need to get these Peace and Quiet wax pillows. They are earplugs that don't go into your ear canal. They're really adjustable for anybody because they are these squishy little wax pillows. You can see you can roll them in your hand, warm them up, and adjust the shape. They are really fun just to squish, by the way, but I love this because I live in a noisy city and I have a hard time sleeping. Noises and light bother me. I'm a very light sleeper. And since I got these, they have helped so much. They block out so much of the sound so that it really muffles everything and the loud, sharp noises you don't hear. Like with these in, I hope I don't start to shout because you can see how you adjust them. You don't put them in your ear canal. You just put them on this outer part of your ear and you kind of smash them around until they block out all the sound. So they're totally adjustable for each person. But like talking right now is hard for me because it's really muffled. I can't hear myself. I can barely hear the snapping. They work so incredibly well. So I just sleep like a baby when I use these. I also used them when I was in Hawaii swimming in the ocean so they didn't get ocean water in my ears. My sister used them as well. It was wonderful because we're prone to ear infections if we get water in our ears. So we were able to snorkel with these and just feel so much more comfortable without getting water in our ears. If you are looking for perfect earplugs for any of these reasons, the Peace and Quiet wax pillows are an excellent choice. But that's just my point of view.